It's phenomenal. It's a fantastic flavored cake. It's delicious. It really is delicious. I'm blown away. That's a 1950s-60s classic tomato soup spice cake made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making a cake with tomato soup. Oh yes we are. We're making a tomato soup spice cake. Very popular in the 1950s and 60s, however, across the pond. You know, in the UK, not so much. Doesn't matter. You know, looking at the ingredients, it's a fantastic cake. It's one of those that needs keeping alive from time gone by. Now this came in as a suggestion from a friend of the channel, and you know me, anything suggested like this, it's right up my street. I love cooking like this, so we're going to make the tomato soup spice cake from the 50s and 60s. Let's get on. And I will be using an 8x8 inch tin. Now I was going to use a 9x13 and make it a bit thinner, but I'm going to go for a thicker cake, and we'll put a cream cheese frosting over the top, make it look a bit pretty. So I'll just put that up there. In here I've got some butter, look, a little bit softened, not all. In there with our sugar, and we are going to give it a whiz up with one of these. Now you could use one of these, but it would take an awful lot longer. So let's just do this. That'll do. We want to be beating in our eggs. We've got our eggs here, look. Now it normally says one at a time. They're in. Now what I will do is add just a little bit of our flour mixture. That's going to stop it from curdling. Job done. How easy is this? Soup in there. So let's get that soup in there. That's good enough. Just have a little scrape round on here and bring all those little bits of sugar and things in that's on the side. Might as well have it all in there. So we want to be putting our flour mixture together. So that's our flour in there. We want to go in there with a little bit of salt. A quarter of a teaspoon. We want to be going in there with our spices, baking soda and baking powder. Now you're going to say, why baking soda, why baking powder? Baking powder goes with the flour. Baking soda is going to react with that soup. We've got some water. We're going to chuck that in there. And we are going to go in there with our flour. Carefully incorporate it. Bring that in. Good enough for me. That is our cake batter mix there. This is our tin. Stick the oven on. Your oven on at home, 175, somewhere around about there. This, I'm going to hit this up for 160. Let's get our batter in there. Give it a little one of those. Let's have it leveled into the corners. Okay, on a tray. Right, let's get this in there. Let's start off there. Okay, and we want to hit this for 30 minutes. We're going to hit it for 30 minutes. We're going to test it with a skewer, and if we have to cook it longer, we will. If we have to cover it to stop it from burning, we will. However, we are going to cover it all in cream cheese, so you're going to hide it anyway. But we don't want a burnt cake. And what does it taste like? It actually tastes pretty good. And no, it does not taste of tomato soup. Wow, let's get on. Okay, we've had our time. Now we're going to get this out and we're going to stick a wooden skewer in. Well, as soon as I put it down, it flopped down, so I don't think that's cooked in there. I think he wants a little bit longer. Oh, it's clean. No, it's going back in for 5 minutes. The trouble is now, it's gone down like that, it won't rise. So we want 5 minutes. Okay, that'll do. We've got our time up. Let's have that out of there. That is as clean as a whistle, that is done. Even though that's caved in, we're not worried about that. Off with the oven. It smells absolutely incredible. Okay, so we're going to let that cool. And it should sink a little bit anyway. We're going to let it cool and then we're going to turn it out. And we are going to make some cream cheese frosting. Slap it all over. Okay, our cake has cooled down enough now to make our cream cheese frosting. So in here I've got some cream cheese and I'm just going to add some butter and we're going to add some vanilla and we're going to give that a creaming nice and gently. And we're going to go in there slowly but surely with our powdered sugar. Bring the sides in as always. Nice and steady, in they go. There we have our cream cheese frosting. Okay, with our cake you have to make a decision. We're going to turn it out. Now you have to make a decision. Do you want to cream cheese this top or turn it out and cream cheese the bottom? Now it will come out of here because we lined the tin. So let's have a look. We got a beautiful, beautiful cake. Now you can put it that way and have a complete flat surface, or I'm just going to probably turn the cake out and we'll cream cheese it. And then you want another dilemma. You either cream cheese the top on here and leave the sides, because the sides look fabulous, or you can drag it down the sides a little bit so it overhangs and just drops down. Fabulous. Okay, the moment of truth. We've got to get into this tomato cake. Obviously this is not going to set because it's a cream cheese frosting. You could set it if you wanted to put corn flour in there, but we're not doing that. Let's do this. So we'll come in there and we'll come in there and we'll come in there and we will take the corner. Oh, look, looky there. Come on, we need the corner. Let's get the corner with all that cream cheese. Oh, that is absolutely wonderful. What a cake. I've got to get in. My mouth is watering so much. It smells incredible. It smells spicy, lovely smelling cake. And obviously we've got a fantastic crumb on there. Oh, it's incredible. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to eat some cake. And not the cream cheese. Because we want to taste the cake, don't we? I mean, come on, look at that. I'm blown away. I'm absolutely blown away. Spices in there. Oh, it's got the spices in there. It's like a ginger cake. It's like a parking flavour. It's delicious. And it's got this flavour in there, which is obviously, it doesn't taste of soup. Oh, it works. Oh, that is incredible. We gotta get in here with some cream cheese. Let's see what this is like. Oh, come on, look at the cake. Well, I can tell you right now, the cake is awesome. The cake is off the charts. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh, growing up with parking and ginger cake all my life, the cake is superb. Absolutely off the charts. Fantastic flavour. You wouldn't even know that tomato soup's in there. It obviously adds to the flavour in there, and the flavour is perfect. Cream cheese, I'm not a fan of. I could leave the cream cheese off and eat the cake. Oh, that cake is wonderful. My honest opinion, as per usual, I am going to try parking with tomato soup in. It's phenomenal. It's a fantastic flavoured cake. It's delicious. It really is delicious. I'm blown away. That's a 1950s, 60s classic tomato soup spice cake made. I'm blown away. I am truly. That is just so fabulous. Look at that. Oh, incredible. Well, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them all about this tomato soup cake. It is incredible. I'm absolutely blown away. Wow. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.